Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm sharing my summer wash day routine with you guys. It's super simple. It's just 3 steps. Just the wash day portion, so not the styling. So I'm starting on an old wash and go, about 4 days old, I think. Then for my first product, I use my pattern treatment mask as a pre-poo. I've really been loving this for my hair. It's just been amazing. Like it gives me so much sleep and I'm able to detangle my hair before cleansing. This has really helped me to prevent breakage and also to keep my hair as moisturized as possible. And it's just helped me remove all my shed hair and stuff before I actually go in with a treatment, before I actually go in with my cleanser. So I just work this through all of my hair, taking out like really big clumps out of my hair because I don't want to shampoo my hair with this many clumps. My hair was extra matted for some reason, so this really came in handy. I just go ahead and work it through all of my hair, and then I rinse it out and then move on to my cleanser. So this product is designed to use either before cleansing or after cleansing, which I really like because I feel like it's just such a versatile product. And yeah, it gives me a lot of definition, which is just, you guys know that's my favorite. So look at how juicy my hair looks even before cleansing. It's just amazing. For my shampoo, I use my curlsmith core strength shampoo. This is one of my favorite shampoos. You guys have probably seen this at least once a month in my wash day videos. It's one of my favorites. It's a holy grail for me personally. It works really well on color treated hair. I still do have bleached like highlights, so it's really safe for my hair. It cleanses my hair really well. A little goes a long way. I like the lather on it. I wouldn't say it's like a very thick lather because it definitely doesn't lather up that much, but it's not a no lather cleanser. It gets my scalp really clean without stripping it, which I love, and it also leaves my curls and my ends very hydrated. So this shampoo has a lot of slip, which I like because I like to just run it through my hair, and I like knowing that my hair isn't gonna get matted. So I make sure to just get my scalp and get all of my hair really well, and then I go ahead and rinse it out. I don't actually double cleanse for this wash day because I didn't need to, but I suggest double cleansing, for extra moisture, or if your hair is just extra dirty. It usually can't hurt. So I just go ahead and rinse that out, and as you can see, my curls are just so juicy and my hair is looking very clean and shiny. After rinsing it out, I go ahead and use my Curlsmith Hydro Creme Soothing Mask. This is one of my favorite masks slash deep conditioner. It's a lifesaver, to be honest. I use this very often. I use this very often in my routines, and it's a rinse repeat type of product. I love this a lot. It's a holy grail. I will never put this product down. Like, I will never put it on. As long as they make this product, I will be using it. It's amazing. It always leaves my hair super hydrated, super bouncy, and just juicy. And I really like how thick it is. I don't know. I've been loving like thick products lately. I don't know. Maybe I'm changing up, but I make sure to work it through my roots and all over my hair. It's important that you also get your roots. I know the curly hair community is just like, oh, we'll just focus on the ends, focus on the ends. But sometimes your roots need product. Your roots need product, not your scalp, but your roots need product. Especially if you experience like poofy roots. I almost said puffy. Yeah, same thing. Puffy roots. You need to make sure that you're working product into your roots to, make sure that your roots are saturated and moisturized. So I go ahead and use my Felicia Leatherwood detangling brush just to detangle my hair and like get out extra shed hair. And like, so my hair is very, very smooth, and just to help the product to emulsify and just work its magic. So I just do the same thing all over my hair, and then I let it sit for about 20 minutes. I'm gonna upload my summer wash and go video. I'm also going to upload my summer wash and go routine, so please stay tuned for that. Better yet, please leave me some comments down below if you'd like to see my wash and go routine. I'll definitely be putting it up, but I need to know you guys want to see it, if you know what I mean. So, yeah, I'm so happy that it's summer, not because of the heat, but the vibes just feel different. At this point, I'm just rambling. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Let me know down below, and tell a friend to tell a friend. I'm trying to get to 1K here on YouTube, trying to grow my channel. And you guys I always appreciate all the comments, all the shares and everything. You're so appreciated, and I'll see you in my next video.